Margarita, what are we sort of doing internally and maybe in some of the other areas outside Toughbook with AI?
Yeah, so AI plays a key role for us, backed by Panasonic's long-standing expertise in the field, of course. And let me just highlight a few examples. So internally, for example, we use generative AI to support our employees in their daily work, enhancing communication, streamlining document handling, also sparkling new ideas, of course. And we offer dedicated AI tools and tailored programs to upskill our workforce. So how could that, for example, look like? So we differentiate in between three focus areas within our upskilling, our internal AI upskilling. One is more on a general base, so really helping people understand the tech basics, the trends, the risks, the legal side of things, and so on. The second one is the function-based training related approach, so really tailored programs for sales or for marketing, for HR, for supply chain, for customer service, and so on, really developing with those colleagues dedicated use cases. And then last but not least, the tool-focused training approach all around specific tools and so on. So that, of course, is kind of our idea to provide multiple touch points with a topic and make it, help our employees by the end, to make the best use out of it. On the product side, we apply AI in areas such as, for instance, computer vision. So in particular in manufacturing or supply chain. In manufacturing, a strong use case is, for instance, quality control, where AI-driven image analysis helps detect defects, and improve production accuracy by the end. Another example is the supply chain area, of course, where it's all about optimizing inventory management, forecasting demands more accurately, and also enhancing overall operational efficiency.
Yeah, it's interesting. Security came up again. I remember there was a big story at the start of the AI boom, I guess, where a big manufacturer uploaded a load of their sales data into ChatGPT to analyze it. So yes, it's useful. We've had all that training for you, Margarita, so we don't do anything silly like that.
It's a good example then, because Panasonic was one of the first company who introduced an internal chatbot and large language model sealed and protected. So that exactly not the case you described could happen, that sensitive data is leaking. And yeah, as I said, Panasonic is a Japanese company, so it had happened in Japan, but we were one of the first company who did that, and there was a bit of buzz in the press around this. It just shows that Panasonic really embrace AI, and it's not just words. We really try to be on the forefront of this.